Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Quabbly, a tool that claims to connect the apps you use to automate everyday workflows. Quabbly is a no-code tool that lets teams and business build dynamic workflows and organize data across other apps. And it's interesting that AppSumo relates Quabbly as an alternative to Airtable and Zapier, and that is exactly what Quabbly wanna do. To present itself as an online spreadsheet with steroids, with an automation workflow inside the tool. So you can use Quabbly integrations to create all your business workflow and automate tasks depending on the template that you choose inside Quabbly. So what Quabbly really is it's like having Zapier and Airtable inside the same tool and using it with several templates in a way that it will help you to automatize your business tasks. So the idea here is that you're not going to lose your time with administrative functions that you could delegate to Quabbly. That's organizations, copy and paste of texts, or even uploads of videos or documents. The idea here is that Quabbly will be your robot to help you to automate your business everyday workflow. And the tiers here, depending on the number of records and runs you need per month. Runs are the Zapier functions of Quabbly. So the number of automations you're gonna do per month. So if you're gonna lose a lot, so you'll buy more codes. Boards are the templates. Each project that you create would be a board, and a record is an action inside the board. You're gonna see it. And there's a difference about file storage as well. So you're gonna buy the tier depending on what you need. Remembering that if you buy the license tier 5, you're gonna get unlimited everything and 1 million of total runs per month. So you don't need to be worried about your users limits, boards limits, or records limits. Okay, so let's take a look at Quabbly to see how the tool works. So Quabbly is a no-code platform to create internal operations. It's like a kind of Bubbly that will present you with several templates depending on your use case, and you select that template and you start to work with it. The tool appears to have a lot of functions. So what I'm gonna do here is to present you with the integrations and show you the templates. As you can see here, you can see the integrations they have. Google Drive, Calendar, Slack, Dropbox. And clicking here, like in Zapier, you can check what the automation can do inside Quabbly. So SendGrid can send an email. You can use MailChimp to add contacts to your list or send email. So like Zapier or Quabbly. Dropbox, you can create folder, you can upload folder. So you are going to have a Zapier inside Quabbly. You do not need to integrate with Zapier. You have a Zapier-like tool inside Quabbly. Google Drive, create a copy of a file, upload file to folder. So everything that you would use Zapier related to those integrations, you can do with Quabbly. For instance, on YouTube, you can upload video, you can start some triggers as new video uploaded to a specific YouTube channel, new video added to a specific YouTube playlist, new video uploads that matches a specific search string. So those are the YouTube automations. And how we're gonna use the tool. You can start here and you have a form that is on beta, so that you can create a form builder tool. Okay, so they have a form builder inside Quabbly. But here's the main feature. AppSumo recommends you to choose one of the templates because they have a lot. And if you're gonna start a new board from scratch, you will need to understand the tool in depth in a way that you can, let's say, think the template by yourself, create your workflow by yourself. The idea here, if a normie, if a newbie would be start to use Quabbly, you will go here and you're going to select one of those templates. Here you select all, and you can see you have non-profit, profit management, social media calendar, real estate portfolio, etc. So I'm going to select a legal matter management. You can use the tool, for instance, to manage your office, your legal office. So I'm going to click here to use the template. Yes. And here on my board, I already have my template here. As you can see here, I have the template with everything that I need for run my business as a lawyer. So here is to take care of the client's contracts and add the name of your client. Here you need to add their company, phone number, email address, and you can upload a photo. And here you're gonna client contact. You're gonna have your CRM, your legal of CRM. You see that template gives you everything that you need. So it's pretty cool. So here you can select your case, the nature of your issue. For instance, let's check like a breach of contract. I didn't create a client, so I can select here. And here's a real estate specialization, description, blah, 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 and add records. So they will add my case here, a breach of contract with everything I need. What I think is interesting here is that the template creates what you need to do to run your business. Okay, so everything is already created. Here's are your tasks. So you can create views like Kanban views to see your tasks gallery, or even a chart, folders to divide your tasks, or in the format of tables. So here you're going to create tasks like a project management. Yeah, to begin and record. So as you can see here, I can add a Kanban view, for instance, and here I have a Kanban view for my tasks. Let's say it's a key. It's a marketing issue. So I just drag and drop here. I have a place for billing and expenses, intake, clients, components, documents, and your team members. Let's check another template. I'm gonna go to the hub again. I selected here a business roadmap, and I'm gonna create that template. I'm gonna hold here to my business roadmap, and as you can see here, I have only one board because it's what you need on Quabbly to have a business roadmap. Since you don't have a record, you need to create a goal, start date, end date, and I'm gonna add that record. I can change my view to Kanban, and here I have a business roadmap: operations, sales, marketing, product development. You can create new categories, etc. Let's create another one, so you can see the potential of Quabbly. Let's create a consultation book form. So I have here, I only need one board for that as well. And here is the form: the name, gender, age, phone number, age, Bradley. So here I added a new booking appointment. Also, you can change your view. You can invite people to the border. You can also use the form to request info to external people from that they are not have an account on Quabbly. You can just use it as a regular consultation booking form, and all your data will be directed to Quabbly, and you can use the integration, for instance, to send the email of your new lead directly to your MailChimp, because you have a Zapier-like tool inside Quabbly. That is only an overview. As I said, this tool seems to require a learning curve to understand how it works. So as I said, I'm being completely honest that I'm new about Quabbly, and I'm only creating an overview so you can understand what Quabbly is about, and then you can learn by yourself. As I said, it's a no-code platform that lets you create internal operation, internal workflow for your team. And it's diverse. You can create a legal management project, you can create social media calendar, even a form with the CRM built in with the integration. So instead of using one tool to create the form, another tool for the CRM, and a third tool to integrate your form with your CRM, you can use Quabbly because it has everything, and that is the idea, to use one tool to replace all the other tools that you need to develop a business workflow. So in summary, Quabbly is a business workflow tool that you will not need to code to create your internal apps. And if you don't want to create the apps, you already have tons of templates for several use cases that you can use for your projects. For instance, let's say you are a lawyer, you have a legal management project with everything you need to run a legal business. I hope you like that overview. It's not a review, an overview. And click on the link below to get to know more about Quabbly. Bye-bye.